Alright, let's start with something that sounds like science fiction but might be Elon Musk's next business move: SpaceX aiming for $500 billion in AI revenue by 2028. Wait, SpaceX? The rocket company that used to make headlines by landing boosters? Yep. But here's the twist I've been obsessing over: this isn't just a pivot, it's a full-blown identity crisis. And honestly, that's what makes this story so fascinating. Because when a company synonymous with Mars colonization starts talking about AI supercomputers and moon-based data centers, you have to ask, is this genius, madness, or both? Let's unpack the numbers first, because $500 billion isn't just big, it's absurd. For context, that's more than the GDP of Italy. Musk claims AI revenue will overtake everything else SpaceX does this month. That's August 2024, by the way. But here's what bugs me: why would a space company suddenly dominate AI? The answer lies in their infrastructure play. SpaceX isn't selling chatbots, they're building the literal hardware. Their Colossus supercomputer, the XAI acquisition, and plans for 10 gigawatts of AI compute by 2025? This is about controlling the engines of AI, not the software. It's like if NASA decided to mine silicon for GPUs. Bold? Absolutely. But also, strategic? Because if you own both the rockets and the AI chips, you're not just a vendor, you're the gatekeeper of two critical tech layers. Now, let's talk about the Starmind satellites. 1 million of them in low Earth orbit? That's not just more satellites, it's a constellation orders of magnitude bigger than Starlink. But here's the kicker: these aren't internet satellites. They're AI nodes. A space-based neural network. From my perspective, this changes everything we think about cloud computing. Imagine AI models training on a server farm that's literally orbiting Earth at 17,000 miles per hour. It's poetic in a way. Musk wants to decentralize AI infrastructure by putting it in the one place no government can easily regulate: space. But wait, is this even practical? Radiation-hardened chips, orbital debris risks, the sheer cost of launching 1 million satellites, but then again, who else has Starship ready to deploy thousands at a time? This is where Musk's vertical integration shines. SpaceX controls the rockets, the satellites, and now the AI hardware. It's a closed loop, and that's terrifying if you're an investor betting on competitors, but brilliant if you believe in first principles thinking. And then there's the moon. Oh right, the moon. Because why build data centers in Nevada when you can do it on lunar lava plains? Electromagnetic railguns launching satellites? Factories built by robots? This is where Musk crosses from entrepreneur to, well, sci-fi author. But let's not dismiss it. The logic here is undeniable: lower gravity means cheaper launches, and solar energy is practically free if you build enough panels. The moon becomes the ultimate AI manufacturing hub. Though I'll admit, the timeline feels aggressive. We're supposed to believe SpaceX will go from occasional moon landings to full-scale industrialization in 5 years? Personally, I think this is where reality might bite. Even Tesla's factories hit delays, and they're Earth-based. But hey, if anyone could pull it off, it's the guy who made electric cars mainstream. What's the endgame here? Musk's vision isn't just about profit, it's about creating an AI that cares about humanity. That's both touching and deeply unsettling. Because who defines what caring means? A self-aware AI trained on SpaceX's values, which Musk describes as some of the best humans on Earth. There's ego, and then there's cosmic ego. But maybe that's the point. By vertically integrating AI's hardware, software, and deployment, on Earth, in orbit, and on the moon, Musk isn't just selling a product. He's creating a parallel tech ecosystem. One where SpaceX isn't a company anymore, it's a civilization's backbone. And honestly? That's the scariest part. Not killer robots, but a world where every AI depends on infrastructure Musk built. The upside? Interplanetary species status. The downside? We're all renting server space from Mars. What do you think? Drop your takes below, because this isn't just about rockets anymore.